Welcome on board this classic Contest 33 sailing boat. This boat was designed by Dick Zoll to be fast, comfortable and seaworthy. It sleeps 6, so it's perfect for family cruising or couples cruising. Let's take a look around. She's a beautiful classic boat. This actual boat was partially refurbished in 2016. The hull has been resprayed in dark blue in 2016 of a really high standard. So this is probably one of the smartest Contest 33s that you'll see on the market, or you may even see full stop. So just starting with some basic details on the boat. So she's fin keel. She draws 5'3". She's 32'3" length overall, with a 10'4" beam. 5,250 kilograms displacement, 2,150 kilograms ballast. So some of the upgrades on this boat include a lovely stainless steel electric anchor windlass. Standing rigging was replaced in 2018. Sails are in good condition. The whole boat was resprayed. And a really nice finish, and all the decks were painted. Excuse that she's a little bit green, we are end of season. It's just about to turn into December. So we are end of season. So she's just in the process of being laid up a bit. But this is a really smart example of these beautiful boats, which are now definitely classic yachts. So one thing I love about these older classic boats, really nice wide decks, loads of space to walk around. The dinghy is just being stored on the coach roof. There's plenty of space under there. But look, lovely wide side decks. So you can get past the rigging with ease. Lovely big spray hood, plenty of protection, and clutter-free deck, so you can walk into this lovely cockpit, which is a really good size, nice and deep. You feel really safe. And the helm behind that lovely big stainless steel wheel. Over the back, you've got a nice bathing platform, which I should say was added during the refurbishment, and a ladder to get on and off when you're bathing, swimming. And the view from the wheel, you can see absolutely everything. Engine controls down here. You can see the shore power hookup on the left hand side, and then over here we have a B&G GPS chart plotter down by my feet, throttle controls, and the wheel and compass here. Our winches are both within reach, and we've got lovely seating cushions to go on the seats in the cockpit. Okay, so heading towards the accommodation now. Got a grab rail here, which is very well received, especially when you're at sea. Lovely hardwood doors, washboards, which you remove to enter the boat. So let's go down below and have a look. So the first thing that strikes me when I enter this boat is just that woodwork. Look at it, it is beautiful. What a finish. And that extends throughout the whole boat. As we walk forward, look at that. Beautiful woodwork. So that's the first thing that strikes me. And you can really see the quality in this boat from when she was built, and indeed from when she was refurbished. So here we've got the galley. We've got a pull-out folding spirit stove, so that can go away if you don't want it out. Got a top-loading fridge, and the mechanism for the fridge compressor is in the cupboard here, and a stainless steel sink. The cold water tap there. Plenty of storage, and 240 volt electricity plugs. She was rewired as part of her refurbishment, I believe, as well. Drawer and storage here. So you've got a lovely big galley for a 33-foot boat with loads of storage. And the storage continues because companionway steps. We have a big cupboard there and a drawer beneath. And then we have engine access. We'll have a look at the engine in a minute. And then we have a hanging locker here where life jackets are currently stored. And we'll swing round here to the chart table with more storage underneath there. Obviously chart storage in the usual place under here. And a little shelf up here to put odds and ends. This is the quarter berth / seat for the chart table. So that's a good length, runs all the way back to the transom. Perfect for when you're cruising. And at the chart table we have all the electric switches for the boat, bilge pump, VHF radio, battery monitor, well, battery voltage, and 240 hookup with USB, which I would think that was all part of the refurbishment back in 2016. Swing round to the galley, swing round to the saloon rather. We've got a drop leaf table here, mounted on stainless steel pedestals, height adjustable, and then blue cloth seating and storage. I said storage carried on, storage all the way along here. And if we swing around to our starboard side, we are mirrored here with exactly the same storage layout and the blue upholstery seating. Flooring is natural wood. And moving forward, so you saw this a minute ago, we've got a lovely big wardrobe here. And then drawers all the way down here. And a little cubby on the bottom there. Little shelf above. And this is a nice walkthrough, nice and wide, not too bad to walk through into the forward cabin. So forward cabin is V-berths with the infill for the double, which is in place. Carpet lined with a shelf both sides and anchor locker access forward. And above us we have the hatch here. And that's the dinghy. The dinghy is above the hatch at the moment. And then to our port side we have the heads. So again, we've got this lovely wooden fit out. And we have a Jabsco manual heads, a slide out sink. I'll show you in a moment, but this slides out forwards, and the pump tap on the side. Excuse the sun flare, gosh. Storage, I'm just coming low here to show you a mirror, etc. Let's pull that sink forward so you can see that as well. There we are. So there we have our fold-away sink, which comes out above the toilet there. Clever. Clever use of space. For 33 foot, there is loads of space in this boat. Loads of space. Now under here we have a Volvo Penta D130 inboard diesel engine, which from what I can see is in lovely condition. Fully serviced. You can see the nice clean fuel filter on the left hand side. And that's really good access under the step there, and this step lifts out as well to give full access for servicing, etc. Now that engine as well received some work, I believe, in 2016, and I should say that is a replacement engine. I don't think that would be the original engine for this boat. And then above us we just have a moulded headlining, nice, easy, clean. LED lights throughout. Another hatch here in the saloon, which is covered from on the outside. Grab rails all the way around. Grab rails on the companionway. Grab rails here and here. And then we've got bilge access down below the floor. So being a contest, she's got lovely deep bilges as well. Back out to the cockpit. Got a lovely stainless steel pedestal. Everything is such good quality on this boat. The metalwork, the woodwork, the finish. She is in really nice condition. And with the rigging as well, being 2018, this is a sail away boat. This is a buy it, step on board, sail her home. And for those of you looking at the video with just an interest in yachts or for the contest, this boat is a real proper cruising boat. It'll really take you places. Could be a blue water cruising boat. Yeah, with a few little extras. If you fitted a solar panel and a few creature comforts, you could really do some miles on this boat. Lovely condition. To show you the close-up of the decks, because they've all been repainted. Top sides have been repainted, but it's a nice paint job. It's all sprayed, so it's a lovely finish. Right, I think that about sums up the contest. Well, I hope you enjoyed that tour. This boat is currently for sale, so I'll pop a link to the advert so you can take a look at her if you are interested. And if you enjoy these videos, do subscribe to our channel, because we do loads of walk around tours of all the different boats that we have here and others, and we have a few other things coming up as well. So please do like, comment and subscribe. I love to hear what you all have to say about the videos, the boats, suggestions, things I should add, things I should take out. So it would be great to hear your feedback. See you in the next one. Thank you for watching.